Millions of dollars in tax revenue has been withheld by Israel. The U.S. is threatening to reduce aid, but that has not deterred the Palestinians from petitioning to join the International Criminal Court. CCTV's Stephanie Freid has been following this story, and she joins us live from Tel Aviv. Stephanie, why are the Palestinians still pushing forward with this bid, with this much pushback?
Well, Susan, there are numerous reasons, and there has been international criticism over moving forward with the bid, as you say, as opposed to moving through the political processes with Israel to resolve differences. Palestinian leaders say that they are moving forward out of long-standing frustration over a stale status quo.
The Palestinian Authority request to join The Hague's International Criminal Court is a preamble to filing war and human rights abuses charges against Israel. Fed up with stalled peace negotiations, the bold move is meant to hold Israel's government accountable for transgressions.
I think it's a test for the ICC to maintain its image and to say, no, we go after, the crimes everywhere. Israel is a big fish, and the ICC can maintain its image if it goes after Israel, because if it goes after Israel, it means it goes after the strong country. It goes after the country it was supported unconditionally by the US. It goes after the country it's supported by the European countries.
Hundreds of investigative committee team members are poring over tens of thousands of documents in an effort to pare down cases and pinpoint individuals. Some of the charges they're looking to file: Israel war crimes during the 2014 military campaign in Gaza, apartheid policy, punitive home demolitions, and illegal settlement building. Israel's government, furious over the prospect of coming under scrutiny, is launching its own anti-Hague campaign.
Israel rejects the absurd decision of the ICC prosecutor. It's absurd for the ICC to ignore international law and agreements under which the Palestinians don't have a state and can only get one through direct negotiations with Israel. The rules of the ICC are clear: no state, no standing, no case.
The Israeli government and U.S. administration also argue the move circumvents direct peace negotiations between Palestinians and Israelis, harming prospects for achieving a peace deal between the sides. Investigators say the peace process is a farce. Justice is now the goal.
To go to the ICC, to go after the criminals, you will support and you will help peace. The status quo, it doesn't help peace. The status quo, it helps the rightist wings, it helps the extremists, and it helps, I think, the continuing of the crime. That's the case. The status quo, because at the end, no price pay, for this, and who can say that they will change? No, if you have no price to pay, you will continue in your way.
Stephanie, besides Israel's angry counterattack, what are some of the other responses coming from the government?
Well, Prime Minister Netanyahu has said about these claims, A, he will not allow his soldiers to stand trial in an international court, his military. He has also said that counterclaims should be filed in the international court against not only Hamas, who fired rockets at Israel during that Gaza campaign, but also at the Palestinian Authority for attempting reconciliation with Hamas last year. Susan?
Stephanie Freid, thanks so much for the update, reporting live in Tel Aviv.